Students of Dharwad Agricultural University staged a protest in front of the administrative office of Dharwad Agricultural University demanding the cancellation of what they termed irregular eligibility criteria in the recruitment process for the posts of agricultural officer and assistant agricultural officer. The protesting students expressed their anger and raised slogans against the Karnataka Examination Authority and the Agriculture Department. The students opposed the move to provide recruitment opportunities to graduates from private agricultural universities and engineering graduates for the posts of agricultural officer and assistant agricultural officer. They demanded that the government should take a decision on the issue before the examination scheduled for July 25th for these posts. The student leaders warned that the protest would be intensified if the government failed to respond to their demands. Student leaders including Chirudeepak, Harshit Lal, Bharat Kumar, Sagar Tulsigere, Rahul Nayak and several other students were present during the protest. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section.